Everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will discuss about international organization, their headquarters, date of formation, reports published by them and present head, which will be useful for all types of competitive exams in India. So let's start the video. United Nations, its headquarters is in New York, USA. Date of formation is in 24th October 1945. Present Secretary General Antonio Guterres. Membership 193 member states and 2 observer states. Okay. Then World Bank, its headquarters is in Washington DC, that is in USA, United States of America. Date of formation is in July 1944. Present President David Malpass. Report that is being published by World Bank, World Development Report, Age of Doing Business Report, and the motto of World Bank is working for a world free of poverty. Some additional info about World Bank. It is an international financial institution that provides loans to developing countries for capital programs. It comprises of 2 organizations, International Bank of Reconstruction and Development (IBRD) and International Development Association (IDA). Okay. International Monetary Fund (IMF), its headquarters is in Washington DC, USA. Date of formation 27th December 1945. Present Managing Director Kristalina Georgieva. Chief Economist Gita Gopinath. And the report that is being published by IMF, Global Financial Stability Report, World Economic Outlook. World Health Organization (WHO), its headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland. Date of formation 7th April 1948. Present Director General Tedros Adhanom, and the report published by WHO is Global Nutrition Report. Then World Trade Organization (WTO), its headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland. Date of formation is in 1st January 1995. Present Director General Roberto Azevedo. The report being published by WTO is World Trade Report. International Court of Justice (ICJ), its headquarters is in The Hague, Netherlands. Year of establishment 1945. Present President Abdul Qayyum Yusuf. Okay. Then the United Nations Conference on Trade and Development (UNCTAD), its headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland. Date of formation 30th December 1964. Secretary General Mukhisa Kitui, and the report being published by UNCTAD is World Investment Report. United Nations Environment Programme (UNEP), its headquarters is in Nairobi, Kenya. Year of establishment 5th June 1972. Present head Inger Anderson, who is from Denmark, and the report that is being published by UNEP Action on Air Quality Report, Global Environment Outlook Report. Okay. Then United Nations Children's Emergency Fund (UNICEF), its headquarters is in New York, USA, United States of America. Date of formation is in 11th December 1946. Present Executive Director Henrietta H. Fore, and the report that is being published by UNICEF are Report on Regular Resources, the State of the World's Children Reports. United Nations Development Programme (UNDP), okay, its headquarters is in New York, USA. Date of formation is in 22nd November 1965. Present head Akim Stenier, and the report that is being published by UNDP Human Development Index, Sustainable Development Goals, Gender Inequality Index. United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees (UNHCR), its headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland. Date of formation is in 14th December 1950. Present High Commissioner for Refugees is Filippo Grandi, and the report being published by UNHCR is the Global Report. International Cricket Council (ICC), Its headquarters is in Dubai, UAE, United Arab Emirates. Date of formation is in 15th June 1909. Present chairman Shashank Manohar and present CEO Manu Sweni. World Economic Forum WEF. Its headquarters is in Cologne, Switzerland. Date of formation January 1971. Present executive chairman Klaus Schwab. And the reports that is being published by WEF are the Global Risk Report, Global Competitiveness Report, Travel and Tourism Competitiveness Report, Global Information Technology Report. Okay. International Olympic Committee IOC, its headquarters is in Lausanne, Switzerland. Date of formation is 23rd June 1894. Present President Thomas Bach and the present Director General Christophe de Capper. Federation International de Football Association FIFA, its headquarters is in Zurich, Switzerland. Date of formation 21st May 1904. And present president is Gianni Infantino. And the motto of FIFA is for the game for the world. Okay. North Atlantic Treaty Organization NATO. Its headquarters is in Brussels, Belgium. Date of formation 4th April 1949. Present Secretary General Jens Stoltenberg. And membership 30 states are there. Okay. G15. Its headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland. Date of formation 1989. Membership 17. India is a member of G15 countries. Okay. World Customs Organization WCO. Its headquarters is in Brussels, Belgium. Date of formation 26 January 1952. Present Secretary General Kunio Mikuria. Then United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization UNESCO. Its headquarters is in Paris, France. Date of formation 4th November 1946. Present President Odere Azoulay. And the report that is being published by UNESCO is Global Education Monitoring Report. International Labour Organization ILO. Its headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland. Date of formation is in 29th October 1990. Present Director General Gay Ryder. The reports that is being published by ILO are like Global Wage Report, World of Work Report, World Employment and Social Outlook, World Social Protection Report. Food and Agriculture Organization FAO. Its headquarters is in Rome, Italy. Date of formation 16th October 1945. Present Director General Q Dongyo. International Maritime Organization IMO. Its headquarters is in London, UK. Date of formation 17th March 1948. And present Secretary General Kitak Lim. World Meteorological Organization WMO. Its headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland. Year of establishment 23rd March 1950. Present President Gerhard Adrian. It's a United Nations specialized agency. Okay. World Intellectual Property Organization WIPO. Its headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland. Year of establishment 14th July 1967. Present Director General Francis Gori. And the reports that is being published by WIPO are like World Intellectual Property Report, Global Innovation Index. World Wildlife Fund for Nature WWF. Its headquarters is in Switzerland. Year of establishment 29 April 1961. Present President Pavan Sukhdev. And the reports that is being published by WWF are like Living Planet Report. It is being published in every 2 years. Then the Energy Report. Okay. United Nations Economic and Social Council ECOSOC. Its headquarters is in New York, USA. Year of establishment 1945. Present President Mona Jul. Parent organization is United Nations. Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multisectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation (BIMSTEC). Its headquarters is in Dhaka, Bangladesh. Year of establishment 6th June 1997. Secretary General, present Secretary General is M. Shahidul Islam. Shanghai Cooperation Organization (SCO). Its headquarters is in Beijing, China. Date of formation is 2001. Present President Vladimir Norov. South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation (SARC). Its headquarters is in Kathmandu, Nepal. Formation 8th December 1985. Present President as Amjad Hossain. Asian Development Bank (ADB). Its headquarters is in Manila, Philippines. Date of formation is 19th December 1966. Present President Masatsugu Asakawa. Okay, this is the end of the video. If you like the video, then please do subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you all. Be safe and stay at home.